Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Stalk My Closet. Today I'm sharing stitching of brocade kurti. I've shared its cutting in my recent video. I'll share the link in the description box. You can check it out from there. So let's get started. This is the bodice. Firstly, I'll finish the front and back neckline. And for that, I'm using this contrast fabric as facing. This is fabric from the bottom. So I'm using this as facing for the neckline. Place the facing on the neckline, right sides together, and make a stitch on the neckline shape from the wrong side. Place the facing on the bodies, right sides together, and I've pinned it up. Now I'll make a stitch on the neckline shape from the wrong side. Now trim the facing in the neckline shape. Make small cuts all around the neckline. Now turn the facing towards the wrong side. Fold and iron the seam allowance. And this is how it will look. I have pinned it up. Now it's your choice if you want to make a stitch, or you can do invisible hemming to secure the facing on the wrong side. Similarly, I'll finish the back neckline. So I finished both front and back neckline. Now I'll finish the shoulder slope on both sides. So I've stitched shoulder slope on both sides, and this is how it looks. And I also made a stitch on both front and back neckline. And with this, bodice is ready. Now I'll finish the bottom. Firstly, I'll finish the bottom round. Double fold around ½ inch of fabric and make a stitch on the inner edge to secure it. Similarly, I'll stitch the other side. So I have finished the bottom. Now I'll attach bodies and the bottom. And for that, place the bodies on the bottom, right sides together, and make a stitch. So I made a stitch. Now I'll overlock it. Now keep the seam allowance direction downwards and make a top stitch to set the joint. So I made the top stitch. Now similarly I'll attach back, bodies and bottom. Firstly I'll finish the bottom round. Just double fold the fabric and make a stitch. Similarly, I'll stitch the other side. Now I'll attach the sleeves. Place the sleeve on the bodies. Match center and front and back armholes and make a stitch. So I have attached the sleeve. Now I'll overlock it, and similarly I'll attach the other sleeve. So I have attached sleeve on both sides. Now lastly, I'll stitch the side fitting seam starting from the sleeve round.